Does your belly swell up like a balloon right after you eat? You probably blame gluten or dairy, right? But what if I told you the real culprit is a hidden party happening inside your gut, and you're not invited? Here's the scoop. When food enters your small intestine, it's supposed to be digested and absorbed. But sometimes, bacteria from your large intestine migrate upstream. This is a condition called SIBO, or small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. These misplaced bacteria start fermenting your food way too early, long before your body gets the nutrients. Think of it like this. These little guys are feasting on everything you eat, especially carbs, and producing a ton of gas as a byproduct. We're talking hydrogen and methane, trapped with nowhere to go. This gas builds up, stretching your intestinal walls and causing that painful, uncomfortable bloating. It's not just a food problem, it's a location problem. The key isn't just cutting out foods, but restoring balance and getting those bacteria back where they belong. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button for more gut health truths.